Hello. Today we are going to present you another financial model, which is online organic food. This financial model is for those businesses who provide their products and services in online organic food and its industry to their customers. This financial model helps you work more efficiently in your financial transactions and your management. The Org Business Consultant provide financial model for your business to fulfill your business and financial needs. It contains financial statements, includes profit and loss, monthly and yearly basis, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and along with some relevant information which allow the business to get more deep analysis of your financial model. Starting with input sheet. The input sheet is the key area where you can add business specific information. As you can see, the highlighted area can be changeable according to your financial assumptions. It includes investment, loan, other assumptions, taxes, products categories, payroll, capital expenditure, operating expenses, inventory, accounts payable, and accounts receivable in days. Moving on, startup summary. It is the estimation of how much investment required for the business, and it enables to know about the variable and fixed costs. It further includes the total funding and total expenses and graphical representation of total cost and utilization of funds, which will help to analyze your startup cost. Moving on, revenue analysis. If mentioned on monthly basis, the sale projection and highlighted key area can be changed according to your financial assumptions. It includes organic food revenue, tropical exotic fruits, and some other revenue generate your products, and cost of goods sold, gross profit margin, and some other relevant information which will help you analyze your sale projection. Advertisement budget is 5,000 here. I'm going to change 7,500. It's the cost to attract one new customer is 3.50. I'm going to change to 4.5. And growth rate is 2% here. I'm going to change to 5%. As you can see, the data has changed according to my key assumptions. The growth rate is 2% here. I'm going to change to 5%. Next 75%. As you can see, the data has changed accordingly. You can change your assumptions according to your financials. Moving on, depreciation and amortization. It mentioned on monthly and yearly basis. And further, it includes a graphical representation of depreciation model. Moving on, loan schedule. The loan schedule allow to analyze the amount paid to their lenders and interest expenses. It mentioned about amount, purchase month, term in months, monthly repayment, and interest. It can be changed according to your assumptions. Moving on, fixed asset detail. It mentioned about your amount, purchase month, useful life, salvage value, first year asset, useful life in months. Moving on, cash flow statement. It shows the inflows and outflows of cash of your business on monthly and yearly basis. Further, it includes operational activities, financial activities, and investing activities. Moving on, balance sheet. It mentioned on monthly and yearly basis, and it shows the financial position of your company. It includes asset, equity, and liabilities, and graphical representation of your total asset and liabilities. Moving on, monthly P&L. It mentioned about revenue, cost of sold, operating expenses, net income before and after tax. All this information mentioned in yearly P&L. Further, it includes a profitability analysis chart. Moving on, dashboard. It mentioned about IRR, net present value, cost of capital, expected constant growth after 5 years, share in equity, and some other relevant graphical representation of your financial statement. Moving on, project evaluation. It mentioned about company valuation, expected equity, investor required, bond rate, minimum investment, and payback period. The break-even point is basically show the revenue need to meet the break-even point on a yearly basis and graphical representation of your break-even analysis to give you more deep analysis of your financial model. Moving on diagnostic tool, it shows about gross margin as percentage of sale, operating expenses, profitability, cash flow statement, and break-even analysis. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.